Alright guys, so I want to show this. I think that some people think that the Sobras have a CNC machine in their shop, and they don't have a CNC machine. This is called an EDM. And what it does is they've got kerosene inside of this pool, and the EDM sends an electro current down through this, I think it's a copper, or it's either copper or bronze. You can see right here, they're etching this cast in with it. Now the EDM can do more than just etch with the electrolysis, okay? Okay, down here, what they'll do is they take copper and bronze and they'll carve out, let me see if I can get that to focus. They carve out an image that they want to put in the blade. So this is all hand filed and carved. They stick this into the EDM. And then they'll engrave basically down deep over and over. The EDM will touch the knife blade, the metal, and it imprints the image into the blade. So for the dagger you saw, the image is actually carved by them and then electronically etched deeper in by the EDM, and then they clean everything up. So, you know, I always thought that they had a CNC machine that came in and routed the image and it was a computer program that did it. Not true. There is no CNC, there is no computer program that they're using. They will put, like, make a picture on their computer of the knife they want to build and think it out first, but they're doing all of that work by hand. Just like all of the leather work is done by hand, just like all of the guard work was done by hand, just like all the blade work was done by hand. They do that 100% all on their own. So I mean, I just wanted to show that because I was even told in the past, oh yeah, but they're using a CNC machine. No, they're not. What's up, Steven? Here is, this is the sheath from earlier. Marcelo is just slowly, by hand, I think now this has maybe 9 pieces of leather to get just to here. And he's got that welt in it. And so right now at this point, he still doesn't have a knife to measure with this. He's done it based off just a drawing that he took of the blade shape. Marcelo, ¿cómo se dice wet willy?
Sorry?
Wet willy. Oh.
Esto.
Yeah. All right, keep going. Yeah. So, and then he individually dies.
In Argentina, it's hisopo.
What he's showing me right now is that he individually dies in each area. So he gets it all down and then he goes through. Did you do primere color? Or no?
First,
okay.
embroidered.
First embroider.
Yes. And
then sew.
yes.
And then color.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So he embroiders first, like he's doing now. I'm to try to get a good visual of it, guys. Marcelo,
Yes.
is this wet? Agua?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm feeling to the touch, guys. This is barely even moist. He keeps it, it's supple, but just a little bit of water. And this, they use beef fat. So this is from their, like, from their meals. It's the cow fat that they use to apply things on their buffing wheels, on... Sorry, I just want to watch. Yeah, Mike, these people are awesome. Marcelo loves the word awesome, by the way. Try to get that to come in to picture. Sorry guys if it's not coming in there. So he knows just which, all these little tools, you can buy these from like Tandy Leather, but I think more important than being able to purchase one is being able to use them the right way. So Marcelo is a master at that. Marcelo is only 25. So, and he's self-taught. Something else I learned about the Sobrals is none of them have had any instruction by anyone but each other. So they have made up their own rules as they go. Claudio taught himself San Mai. Ariel taught himself the handles. I think Claudio actually taught them at all a little bit of everything. And this is the all-important cast logo on the leather. Good night, Brad. So this is stippling that he'll run all the way up. Hey, Timothy. Ariel. When more handle, get me. Will you tell him?
Sorry.
When he does more handle,
Yes.
I want to learn more. So can he come get me?
Yes, yes. ¿Qué estás haciendo del cabo? ¿Tenés algo del cabo para mostrarle?
Okay. What's up, Rob? What's up, Keith? Luca? Mike? Jordan? James, what's up? Yeah, this is my sheath, Steven. Hey, Kevin. Thank you for running everything at the facility for the Dark Timbers while I'm gone. What's up, Mega Zeus? Chris? Justin? I don't know if any of you guys have ever done leather work or attempted to do leather work, but having this touch, you're welcome, Jordan. This is amazing. I want to share this with everybody in the world, to be honest. Watching someone have this gentle of a touch and be this fast, anyone that's done leather work knows how many hours does he put into a sheath. He's worked for about 3 hours so far on this. So I bet he's got maybe, I bet he'll have like 5 or 6 hours maybe on the sheath. Yeah.
Yes.
yeah, 5-6 hours, and then on a bigger sheath, just more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your sheet is more time.
Yep. So let's see if I can. Oh look, a dark timber for Claudio Sobral and my Sam Lurquin. So this is the sheath he made for the dagger. And you know that probably is going to take more time. I don't know, it's not as many pieces of leather, but there's so much work involved in here. This is all just tooling. One leather? This is just one piece of leather that he did with this. So I'll tell you guys a story. I wanted to make a knife for Claudio, and the knife I was going to make snapped in a water quench. So I did this San Mai blade for him. Because Claudio is my inspiration for San Mai. My San Mai now after this will be better because he's taught me, he has taught me so much about San Mai since I've been here, and I will possibly be trying some Damascus too. They have taught me a great deal about Damascus and San Mai. So I'm very excited to, it snapped. Yeah, I was water quenching it, Keith. And the hamon wasn't perfect, so I went back to do a second quench, and it was too much pressure under the water. So that's going to happen when you're using water. But here's the San Mai that I turned out for Claudio. I also kind of felt like for Claudio, the knife that I was going to make for him should be just a camp knife, just something simple. I did black micarta with this is maple burl, and my last Peter Kohler, the smaller of the logo. But so that's the knife I made for Claudio. Do you guys want to see the knives I made for Ariel and Marcelo? I thought for them it might be nice just to have a more practical knife, so I did a matching set of Tabis for them. Because they love their carne asada down here. So I thought that this would be...
Bífalo asado.
It's not bífalo asado. You people have made them... They're obsessed with beefalo down here, Hezekiah. They're obsessed with beefalo. Say beefalo again. See what happens. Anyways, these are the Tabis I made them. I did matching woods for both. For Ariel and Marcelo.
Thank you, Pete.
Yeah. And then of course, and then if you didn't see, there's the Claudio's knife that I made for him. And then I always bring with me my Sam Lurquin. Everybody write Hurak War Dog. Let Sam know to come on this so he can see that I brought his knife with me. Tell Claudio you want some tacos de lengua. I like tongue tacos. Hezekiah. Okay, so he's done with all of the stippling here that he's doing on the sheath. And now he'll put another layer on it and the welt.
Yes.
Yep. All right. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that for the knives I made him. I was super nervous. Where did Claudio go? No más Claudio?
The guard?
What? The guard?
The guard.
Yeah. We lost the guard? ¿Dónde es cochina? Oh, also, just so you guys can see, here is the San Mai we did for the Brotherhood raffle knife. That Claudio loves the Brotherhood. He said, I want to give a knife to the Brotherhood, so we're going to raffle this for you. And this is the San Mai that we made. It's far from finished. There's a little way to go, but This will be the knife that you guys have an opportunity to get. Yeah, I was sweating bullets checking my bag. You're right. If you guys want to see, we're working right now. This is my knife that we're working on. This is a triple twist pattern Damascus. And I'm doing a Stag handle. They're teaching me the secrets of their Stag. So this should be really awesome. Just a 5.5 inch blade. I like an EDC blade in between 5.5 and 6 inches. So, you know, these are knives that I'm actually going to be carrying with me. You want to arm wrestle Hezekiah? I would love to see you arm wrestle Hezekiah. You want some Stag? You know, Laramie, they said that there's no difference between their Stag and ours. It's the process that they put it through. I mean, this is really nice. How much darkened texture there is here. But they're going to teach me how they treat their Stag. And that might remain a secret. But so that will be my knife. And it's got a single guard, lower guard to it. This is based on the drawings that I sent them. So there's Claudio. ¿Dónde es Juan?
A ver. La guardo.
Anyways, guys, we have a lot more work to do. Hopefully we get to more Damascus today. And I will hook up the vid for that when I get there. Liz, when you see this, I love you and I miss you. You guys, I hope that you stay with me, keep tuning in, because the videos will get progressively better as the knives come together. It's going to just get cooler and cooler. Does exposed pin get anything applied to it? Like the butt of the handle. I don't know if they...
Where is the passport, Liz? Where is the passport, Liz?
Liz, I told them the passport story. Anyways, so I don't know. I think the pins will probably get domed. I will let you know when I see it, but definitely they get epoxied. Okay. Anyways, type of handle on the raffle knife. I'm going to see if we can do Stag. Do you guys want Stag handle or micarta?
Peter.
Or wood? Yeah. Perfect. All right, you guys, I've got some serious learning I'm about to do right now. Stag. For the knife of the Brotherhood, is Stag okay?
Stag is okay.
Okay, Stag is okay for the knife of the Brotherhood. Okay, you guys, it's gonna be a Stag handle on the buffalo or fucking beefalo. Ah! It's gonna be a Stag handle on the Brotherhood knife, and if you're not careful, we're gonna name the fucking knife the. I am not gonna say it. Oh, beefalo. Fuck. All right. Okay, Stag it is on the Brotherhood handle. You guys check back in. I'm out.